Hello unique people, this is Unic Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my Unique YouTube channel where we get to share unique ideas and techniques. Today we want to learn how to make artificial dreadlocks. As you can see, we're going to make artificial dreadlocks using Afro kinky braids. There on that you can see me undoing the Afro kinky braid because we're going to divide that Afro kinky into two, but before then, after undoing it, you have to comb it to make it a flawless hair, yeah, so that it will be easier for us to crochet it back to artificial dreads that we want. So as you can see, I'm combing it just to ensure that it's not entangled to each other. Remember, initially it was already a braid, which we have undone to be able to use it to make an artificial dread. So there, after combing, I'm going to divide it into two equal parts, because if you use the whole of it, it will be a very big artificial dread. It also depends on what your client want. If they want big dreadlocks, artificial dreadlocks, or thin ones. Mine needed medium, so the medium size, you have to divide that into two to be able to achieve that. So that's what I've done. So the next thing, you take your crochet and start. At the end, you have to fold so that it gives a good flow, rather a good end, and just start crocheting. You may not be able to really understand exactly what is happening there when you're crocheting, but like now I'm using a 3-pin, whatever I'm using is a 3-pin crochet. Just push and pull inside the hair, push and pull like that until the end. It will continue making the dreadlocks as you continue. Yeah, that is the process. It's a simple one. Though to some people it's not simple, but also it's a bit risky because you're using a pin, some pins that if you're not careful, you can prick your hands, your fingers, or rather. So you have to be slow. When you're not used to, you start slowly. There now I'm using a single pinned crochet or crochet needle. The one I was using before are 3-pinned. So you can as well even get a 2-pinned crochet. The whole idea is to pull in and out the threads in the braids, so that they entangle each other fully in a form of a dreadlocks. Remember, the others were not circular enough, so here we are trying to make them look like just the dreadlocks, the normal dreadlocks. You can use this process even to make instant dreadlocks for those who want dreadlocks and they want to bypass the process. It takes the 3 months it takes before it locks. This is the process you use to achieve the instant dreadlocks. In other words, you with the artificial hair, you can be able to have the instant dreadlocks using this process. So it's an easy process, but it becomes easy with practice. In the beginning it's slightly difficult and all that. So I want to take you through this to the end, because so that you may know it's possible. Like now, this one took about for you to achieve one whole dreadlock, it took like a few minutes. At this particular time I was making a 36 centimeters dreadlocks. So you also need a ruler for you to be able to know that you achieved the right measurement of the dreadlocks that is needed. Yeah, so it's an easy process, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoy and hope you try this for yourself or for someone. The advantage of artificial dreadlocks is that they can last you for a good number of months, 5 to 7 months, depending on how long you want them in your head. So after doing all that, you also at the end will do the smoothing of the dread so that it's as smooth as a real dreadlock. So that is the process. Enjoy. So I'm going to leave you with some music as you continue doing these. We continue doing this together, and I hope you learn. Yeah, I hope you learn. So there I'm trying to measure to see whether I have achieved the 36 centimeters, because I'd already done the other one. So basically I'm here slightly far from that, so I have to continue crocheting till I achieve the required length, that is 36 centimeters. It's quite a good thing. It's quite a good therapy. For me, it's usually a therapy, and it can be a therapy for you, or rather when you're idle and you have nothing to do. Yeah, there are people who make this for sale. Yeah, because there are people who want artificial dreadlocks to be installed in them. There's salon who want to install them and don't have the time to prepare them. So basically, you can as well make them for sale. Yeah, make them for sale or make them for yourself. Yeah. So by the end of these, I need to get like 90 pieces of those 36 centimeters dreadlocks for my client. So you can imagine by the end of the day, or by the end of the process, how many centimeters I'll have done, because I need 36 centimeter per piece and I need 90 pieces. So do the maths, how many those are. Do the maths, that is 36 times 90, 36 times 90. Yeah, by the end of I'll have done 3,240 centimeters of these artificial dreadlocks to install into my client's head, because those are the pieces I need. So stay tuned. Let's continue to do this together. It's a learning process for each and every one of us. Enjoy, and may God bless you. And guys, remember to share, subscribe, and like.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
A few moments later.
In the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back